click on New Project. After that, give a name for your project. As example, I'll type tutorial editing. Then, click on Browse and choose where you are going to save the files. After that, if you are a beginner, just leave everything as default. Then your Premiere Pro view would be like this. Then follow me, we will clean up some panel that not used by beginner. Close all these things, follow this video. Now your Premiere Pro workspace is better and cleaner. This is Source. This is Program. This is Project. This is Toolbar. This is Timeline. This is Audio Meter. First way is, click on File. Import and import your files like footages, back sound, images, or anything that you like. Second way is double-click on Project panel, and import your files. Third way is find your files that you want to import. Then drag into Premiere Pro, Project panel. Drag your main footages that you want to edit into Timeline. Now you already make your sequence. Click on small icon that located on project. Then click Sequence. After that, go to Settings. Change mode to Custom. Change time based to your footage's frame rate. For how to check her footage's frame rate, right-click on your video file, click Properties, click Details. My video frame rate is 60 fps. So change time base to 60 fps. Now frame size, you can see on width and height size. Change fields to no fields. Display format, make sure on timecode. Then leave the rest as default if you are in beginner. Then name your sequence as what you want. Then click OK. Now our sequence is created. This is Source Panel. Source Panel is for preview your footages, so you can just take some clips on your footages to timeline. Let me show you an example. You can drag which video that you want to edit from Project Panel to Source Panel, or double-click. Then find where video start that you want to edit. Choose Mark In, then find where video end that you want to edit. And choose Mark Out. The thing is, only selected area will be on timeline for edit, and not selected area will be removed. Also, if you want just take the footage as audio only, you can drag the little audio symbol into timeline. So only audio will be taken. If you want just take the footage as video only, you can drag the little video symbol into timeline. So only video will be taken. Next is Effect Control. Effect Control is like in properties to your clip. You can change properties of effect, position, scale, rotation and more. For use it, you need select some clip. This is Reset button, for reset to default size. Next, Project Panel. In here you will import all footages, back sound, images and more for import into editing timeline. There is New button, which for making new sequence, color solid, adjustment layer, bin and more. Bin is like folder, so you can organize your files better. Next is Toolbar, Tools in Premiere Pro. First one is Selection Tool, for selecting clip, drag clip, selection. The second one is Track Select Tool, for select all clip forward. Let me show you example. You can drag everything from beginning of clip layer. So you don't need to block everything then drag. This is useful. Next is Ripple Edit tool. This for cut clip from start clip or end clip and it would automatically snap. I know you didn't understand. Yeah, this one not for beginner. But you must keep trying and learn. Let me show example. Next is Razor tool. This is the most important tools in Premiere Pro. This is for cutting clip, make the clip layer become unlinked. Let me show you this. Next is Text Tool, which you already know for what from the tool name, yes, for make text. You can change font size, font color and everything on Effect Control. But you must select the text clip first. This is Toggle View button. If you disable the toggle view, all clip on this layer line which is V1 would be hidden. Let me show you. This lock button for lock the layer. If you lock it, you cannot delete any clip on that layer line. You can't drag or change properties. The M button stands for mute, so if you click on it, it would mute this audio layer line. The S button stands for solo, so if you click on it, only soloed layer will be active audio, and other audio would be muted. Keyframe is for making an animation like scale, fade, move, position, rotation animation. You can make cool transition using keyframe. Export is an rendering process, converting from editing into video files. Let's do this. Select where you will start export, right-click and choose Mark, and now select where you will end export, right-click and choose Mark Out. Then go to File, Export, Media. For YouTube, change format into H.264. Click the blue text, and choose where you are going to export the MP4 file. If for a beginner, click Match Source. Then leave everything as default.